Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram emoji missing. So if you're facing this problem, the emojis on your Instagram is going to be missing and you cannot send an emoji reaction to anybody or send an emoji in random to anybody in Instagram, alright? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix that. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step for future videos like this. Now let's move on with today's video without any further ado. First step, what you want to do is go on settings on your phone. So I'm using iPhone, so I'm going to come over here in setting and scroll a bit down until you see Instagram. Once you see Instagram, click on Instagram. Once you're over here where it says location, click on it. Once over here you want to, click on these other option over here. Just play around with this option, tick mark anyone, and then at the end just click on never. All right, so just choose any other one. Why we want to do that is if we choose any other over here, basically our locations are gonna be reset it. All right, once you do that, close it, open your Instagram, it should work. So people have said that doing this has fixed their problem. So even after playing with the location, it didn't fix a problem. You can go in App Store and at the top where it says search, you want to write Instagram over here. After searching for Instagram, if it says open, that means your Instagram is up to date. But if it says update over here where it says open on my screen, it means you need to update your Instagram. You can click on that update button to update your Instagram. So after updating your Instagram, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you can delete your Instagram, reinstall it again. What this is going to do is this is going to reset all the setting of Instagram and your problem should be fixed. And even after deleting and reinstalling your Instagram, it didn't fix your problem. You can go on Instagram and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Click on where it says setting. And over here where it says help, click on it. Once you go on help, click on report a problem. Click on something isn't working. And over here, you want to write this. My emoji isn't showing up in my Instagram. Can you help me fix it? And at the top, there's going to be a send button. Click on send and this problem will be sent to Instagram. Instagram staff will view your problem and they'll help you fix it. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your Instagram emoji missing problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.